My name is Dave Davlin. I'm a resident at Kissing Tree. So not everybody here at KT is retired. I still have my own business. I'm a professional speaker, but I spent 25 years of my life entertaining. I was like a one-man Harlem Globetrotter. I did tricks with basketballs. I was a Guinness World Record holder for spinning basketballs. You're not gonna make me do that, are you? As a public speaker, I go and speak at these resorts that are beautiful. We used to spend 2 or 3 days on vacation. I can't wait to leave and get back here. This is like living in a resort, except I get my own golf cart. I see the same people, and it's just so much fun to be here.
Yes.
Hey, Mel.
Can I get your autograph?
Sure. One of my favorite things to do is to go and work out at the great gym they have here. And then I picked up a new sport called pickleball. I'm actually playing competitively now, and it's taken over my life. I love it so much. There's definitely space in here for the people that still have their own business. Kissing Tree is a very social place, and that's a big part of why we moved here. But after a long day of talking on the phone or working in my business, I find ways to refocus. And one of my favorite ways to do that is to actually go play 9 holes of golf in the evening by myself, just me, just nature, just my music, and just refocus and reset. It's just hard to explain how much fun it is to be right here and doing the things that you love to do.